Pig leg stallion, number 35.
Is that what we are?
Number 19, Roy Falk.
The Vaal River Marathon goodie bag. Let's have a look. Oh wow, Vaal River Marathon. What is this? Let's have a look. Let's see. Oh, a t-shirt. Awesome. Oh, nice. Vaal River Marathon. Awesome.
Happy Sparkles is she's probably the most exciting team name on the river today.
Yes, I'm super excited.
I think it's a really amazing opportunity. So, looking forward to it.
There's a rapid right after the start, which is going to be a bit of a bun fight, and then it's going to settle down for about 2.5 k's till the first portage, which is normally single file. So the racing happens just before then, and then there's lots of opportunity after that through the channels and islands to make a gap if you've got one, or to hold the gap. And then yeah, we want to try and stay with the front group for the first 10 k's, and then it's going to be a long flat slog to the finish from there.
It's exciting, and I'm very happy about all the participation. And yeah, I hope everyone's got a lot of fun today and tomorrow.
Not flexing on front, we just put a bit of tape on to please give us a bit of suction.
Yeah, we managed to hang in there. We lost Spinello and Msao and Kosi at Fiskat. I don't know what happened to them, and then it was pretty friendly from there to the finish.
Long. Once you get onto those flat sections after Fiskat, it becomes pretty monotonous, but I was pretty grateful that it went down to 4.
We had an awesome day. Em was super strong in the back, super consistent. I think our start was where we struggled. We couldn't get quite onto the back of the bunch there, but I think our endurance the whole day was pretty good.
Lovely day. Can't complain. Beautiful river. Shit, I'm looking forward for tomorrow, man.
Steve is spending today. Steve Smith.
How are you feeling? It'll be a fun day.
Pedal up.
Go, Vaal! Go, Vaal!
4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Luke was super strong today, super happy with that. We started as a bunch of 4 and we were trying to put one of the boats under pressure, and I think that pressure paid off eventually, because about 5 k's upriver they came off, and then it was just down to 3, which was always nice because you can sort of, you know that everyone's on the podium.
It was unreal. Clint drove like an absolute champ. Definitely don't think I would have done this on my own. yeah, so like a huge thank you to them, and a big thanks to Wayne and Rob. They kept us honest. Even second Benji also kept us really honest, and yeah, I loved racing with them.
Of course, you need that. Can I just get the cup? Thank you.
It's tough. It's tough on your own, but yeah, we had a long day.
Enjoy it.
Yeah, it was nice. Last 7Ks that they've been added, it was just a killer. There was nothing left.
Challenging. So for beginners, day 2 definitely have to do it.
It was long. Yeah, very long. We were pleasantly surprised that it was 2K shorter than we thought. But yeah, we worked really hard to catch Matt Balladin ahead of us, which we managed to do, so I'm super stoked. And then just lost it in the end sprint. But yeah, clean day and loads of fun.